as I understand it. Erin Milroy is here to share her double everything bagels.
I'm so excited to be here, Brooke. These are the best bagels. They are incredible. And what's so great about them is they're actually better for you than just a regular bagel.
How so?
Well, I put in Greek yogurt in my bagels with self-rising flour, and so my bagels have about 10 grams of protein per bagel.
Oh wow, with the yogurt.
Yeah, and what's so great is that these are fully customizable. So let's say you have a friend that's a vegan, or if you're vegan yourself, you can use the vegan yogurt, like Dia, for example, is a great brand to use. If you're gluten-free, you can make your own and use a gluten-free flour, like from Bob's Red Mill. That's my favorite.
Okay.
You can totally customize these. There's no preservatives. They're just a healthier alternative. They're fantastic. You're gonna love them.
I think you made the case. Like, why would I buy from a bakery when I can make them at home, customize them, 4 ingredients, and we're there?
And one more plug. I mean, we're gonna make them together. You're gonna make some, I'm gonna make some, and they'll pop them together in 5 minutes.
Oh wow.
It's fabulous.
So what if we don't have self-rising flour?
So here, I've got self-rising flour here, but if you don't have it, all you have to do is 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah, that's so easy. Everybody's got that on hand. So you have your 1 cup in here, 1 cup of self-rising flour.
Okay.
Grab your yogurt.
Yes.
Just dump it out.
And it goes.
Right? So you just dump in. And this is
the
Greek yogurt.
Do you taste the tang?
You don't really taste the tang. It's surprising. Occasionally you get maybe like a hit of a sourdough kind of feel.
Oh, okay.
But not so much in the bagels,
Not
actually.
complain about that.
Everything bagel is such a strong flavor. Okay, so mix that.
Oh.
Just go ahead.
Okay.
They don't make themselves. So you gotta do a little more.
So you gotta do a little work.
You don't have to knead them or do anything elaborate. You just want to mix them up so there's no dry spots.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just a little tiny bit ahead of you.
You're way ahead of me. Keep going, girl.
Yeah, because I just went.
I'm splashing flour all over.
I have flour on my pants from this morning already. You know, you just dust it off.
Bad day to wear all black.
Right,
Bad
and
day.
I've got the dark colors too, so.
Okay, what comes next?
Okay, it looks like, are you all done? Have you got some dry spots?
Yeah.
Okay, mine is really done, and so I'm just gonna kind of scrape off what I've got here.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna put my hand in and knead it for a second. You probably can do that right now too.
Okay.
So just stick your hand in.
You know. Excuse me, sleep.
All right.
Excuse me, Ring. I'm just gonna strip down all the things. Okay.
We're just wrong today. But it's not our fault. It's this Utah wacky spring weather,
I
right?
know, right? Blame Mother Nature.
Okay, so I've got a ball already.
Okay, I've got a ball.
Okay, I'm gonna switch you real quick so you can get started on that. Okay, look. Divide your ball.
Oh my God. This is like cooking as a workout in my own home. So I've got speakers like you who are always paying me my dough ball.
Oh my gosh, your kids would love to do this with you. Okay, so you've got a ball and I've got a ball.
Okay.
And we're gonna just shape it into 4 equal balls now.
Okay, so break it apart.
Right. Okay. Break it in half and break it in half again. That's always the easiest way to get 4, right? Okay. Okay, half.
I mean, I had already broken the rules that you're half correct, so just
Oh,
it's fine. It's gonna be fine.
It all works. I am not fussy at all. It's really surprising for a baker. For a baker, I really like rustic, individualistic. Or maybe I just say that to make myself feel better. When it doesn't go perfect.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so I've got 4 little balls here. They're just rough little balls. This is the easiest way to make a bagel. Okay, roll yours into a pretty good ball.
Okay.
And then you can just poke your thumb right down the middle.
Okay.
Poke it through the center.
Okay, look.
And you can make a little bagel that way. And then just kind of work with it.
Okay, just shape it out.
Right, and make it perfect. Because if it's perfect, then people are going to say, oh, those are nice
This
bagels that you bought at the
sticky.
bakery.
That's what we're going for, right?
If it's too sticky for you and you're having a hard time, there's always add a little extra flour.
See?
But honestly, I'm used to working with it, so I'm used to a little bit of stickiness, and that doesn't bother me. But if you're a newer baker, or it makes you uncomfortable,
You're a bagel maker.
or if you don't like having all this dough on your hands, which again is another thing I'm used to. Okay, so then another way to make this bagel, and I'll put a little flour down for this one. Okay, so that's the easiest way.
Yeah.
Just poke your fingers through and just get a rough shape.
Okay. Do you want an even thickness to it, ideally? Yeah.
Actually, I'm just
Doesn't matter. Okay. The other way.
That's why it's so good to do this with kids. Because if you're fussy and you want it perfect, they get that vibe and they head for the hills, right? But if you're happy and accepting whatever shape they're making, okay, so the other way is just to make a little steak. I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 inches. Okay, I'm not fussy. Okay. And then you can just kind of push the ends together and get a nice little bagel shape.
Okay, and then we bake them up.
Right, and that's easy too. So you want to preheat your oven to 425.
Yeah.
And you're only going to have to bake them for like 16 to 18 minutes. You know what? I call these double everything bagels, but to really be double everything bagels, you could have put a little everything seasoning,
Or bake it in.
You can.
And then sprinkle on top.
Right, right.
And
we're just going to put on
for those who don't know who have been living under a seasoning rock for the last
Right.
why do we love the everything?
Oh my gosh, everything bagel seasoning. Do not limit yourself to just bagels with the everything bagel seasoning. It is so great on scrambled eggs, on avocado toast, on garlic bread, on chicken. It's so good. So what it is just a little spice blend that is sesame seeds, poppy seeds, minced garlic, and minced onion and some salt.
Okay.
And so we're going to put this on our bagel. Just take that cookie sheet.
It's popular by Trader Joe's. You can really get it anywhere, right?
Everybody's copying me now. I actually have some from Walmart.
Hey, okay.
And then I also bought some from a company called Back Spices, and they make their salt-free, which is great for people watching the sodium. I just love when things are customizable. Okay, now we've got some egg.
I struggle now that I see yours. Keep going, keep going. It's okay. You're too way too late.
You know what it is? It's just that I have no stress when I bake. I never try to make it perfect, and so it comes out great.
Okay, we're gonna touch this with the egg, right? Right.
It's actually egg. Oh, you could do egg.
Okay.
White. Here's yours.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna do it together. You can do egg white. If you're vegan and you don't want to do egg on yours, you can just do olive oil. Okay, that's fine too.
Yummy, yummy.
So just customize it and make it work for you. But look, we've been working for what, maybe 2-3 minutes?
Right. And we're there.
And then, here's your Everything Bagel Seasoning.
up. Thank you.
Take a lot.
Well, I'm just gonna sprinkle, right? So they don't stick to my fingers. So I think.
Oh, I don't worry about it. Let's see.
All right. Okay.
I'm the stress-free baker. Maybe that should be my new Instagram handle, huh?
I love it. Speaking of your Instagram, we can find you and follow along more recipes there. And congratulations on the cookbook, Sadie.
I am so
This
excited.
recipe's in those pages.
This recipe's in the cookbook along with